Sabi nila, life with a newborn goes by fast. Pero wala naman yata nagsasabi sa atin how much can happen in just one day. Pagkagising ko nga today is nagulat ako dahil maga yung lips ko. Probably because of winter or windburns. Or mas lalong naging dry yung lips ko due to breastfeeding. Honestly, hindi ko alam. Though, lagi namang chap yung lips ko. Pero, feeling ko mas naging chappy yung lips ko nung pinanganak ko si Isla. Or just because winter ko kasi siyang pinanganak. You never know, right? One thing is for sure is because our lips don't produce oil, kaya mas prone siya sa dryness at pagkakachap. By 9:59, just after a minute, everything shifts from a simple good morning with Isla, those tiny giggles, and suddenly, yung exhaustions feels so worth it. That made my day. Nagtuloy-tuloy na kami sa activity namin ni Isla. By 10:29, nilagay ko siya sa bouncing chair para makapag-breakfast ako on the side. Diyan niya na nilalabas ang kanyang energy. And I'm sitting there and asking myself, is this normal for a 2-month-old? Actually, every time na may mga milestones, nalilito talaga ako kung is this appropriate? Pagbabasahin ko naman yung mga libro, appropriate. Hindi siya advanced. Appropriate lang siya sa age niya. I know, maraming mga moms gusto nila above average ang kanilang mga anak, diba? And marami na rin nagsasabi nun about kay Isla. By 11:16, nag-no screen time na kami. This time kasi wala pang TV si Isla. Pero hindi kasi ako marunong kumausap ng bata. Kaya naman, ako ang nanonood kay Miss Rachel. Habang ako naman yung pinapanood ng baby ko. Most likely, nagli-lip-syncing ako. Ginagamit ko yung boses ni Miss Rachel. Hanggang sa makalaunan is na-master na namin lahat ng mga kanta at mga tinuturo ni Miss Rachel. I just copy Miss Rachel while Isla watches at 12:07 with flashcards naman ang activity namin. At 2 months nang kakakita na sila ng color. That's already surprising. Kasi nung mga bata tayo, hindi pa nga mulat yung mga mata natin, di ba? Parang namumulat pa lang yung mata natin kapag 1 month na tayo or 2 months. Pero sila pagkapanganak nila, wide open na yung mata nila. And nagsimula kami kay Isla ng flashcard with black and white and gray. Tapos black and white and red. And then ngayon, nakakapag-bright and pastel colors na kami. Aside from colors kasi, ginagamit ko rin itong activity na to for neck exercise para ma-support niya yung neck niya. And then, 12:36, tummy time, syempre. By the way, habang nagka-flashcard kami, tummy time, meron din kami diaper-free time. At yung nakatulong sa akin para maging diaper-free 24/7 si Isla ng 1-year-old. Kung kayo, nagpaplano kayo ng maagang ma-potty train yung baby niyo. I did it as early as 1-month-old. Diaper-free time lang. Alamin mo lang yung mga cues na pinapakita ng baby mo. Para mas alam mo lang, para mas aware ka kung kailan mo siya dadalhin sa potty seat niya. So yun na nga yung tummy time. Every grunt, every tiny push of her neck. It's hard work for her, ha? Patience practice for me naman. Kasi minsan 1 minute lang, 2 minutes lang, ayaw na. And it's okay. Better than nothing. By 12:41, she's observing Kuya Paul's workout naman. Na-realize she's already learning from us, even in this smallest ways. Kaya naman nung medyo nakakalakad-lakad na siya, talagang nag-workout na siya on her own. Meron pa siyang yoga table. Then, at 1:47, she's all smiles and kicks during diaper-free time. Ito yung pure joy in the simplest form. Pero, nung 2:05, medyo umiiyak na siya, iinip na siya or paantok na siya ng time na to. And na-encourage ko siya na good job yung pag-cry niya. Para kaawaan siya ng mga ninang niya para padalahan kami ng pera, pambili ng diaper kunwari. And just when I think the day is over, 8:47 comes, Isla in her pajamas, talking to me, saying hi in her own sweet way. This reaction, I cannot handle it. This is our life right now. Messy, fun, exhausting, beautiful. Ikaw, anong stage of motherhood has been your favorite so far? Let me know in the comments. Paano ba yan? Mag-ingat ka palagi. Love you!